Thank you so much for your comment, and that is a really good question, if they stretch and misshapen. So this is one of my first hats that I made. I believe I got my knitting machine in 2020 or 21. So this hat's either 3 or 4 years old. And it's the first one that came out really good that I was super proud of, so I kept it for myself. I didn't give it as a gift or anything. It's a double layer reversible beanie hat. I believe it's 120 rows. It could be slightly longer because I just can't remember because it was so long ago. And I have washed him and dried him, and I wear him all the time in the winter. So this is one I made with the same type of yarn. Just a few weeks ago, I'm making it as a gift, so it has not been worn. So it's at least going to be the same width. So here's one that I've worn all the time a lot versus one that I just made. Yeah, it maybe has stretched a little bit. I haven't washed him recently. I should. I can update you again when I wash him and dry him again. But so far, I don't notice it as a huge difference, like it's so misshapen or so stressed out that I can't wear it. They keep their shape pretty well, I think. It might depend on the yarn that you use. But this yarn, they don't make the bobbin anymore, but they do have other anti-pilling medium number 4 medium weight yarn. They just don't have it in this colorway, but they still have like the same types that you can get. So I think they hold their shape pretty well, especially for how much I do wear this one. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for the questions. I appreciate all the comments and questions. Happy crafting.